What is up, my Bradshaw babies? I just got this place in Smithfield, in my hometown, Chicken Barn. And baby, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. And I got that buffalo sauce, baby. The potato wedges. That's gonna be a thumbnail. I just got to work and I had to come down here. Girl, you gotta open this slow. This is like good burger sauce. Oh, girl, it fell on the floor. Pants on the ground. Oh, but it felt good. It felt sunny side up, so it's okay. It felt like this, y'all, so it's okay. It's not bad. Okay, I wanted to take the first bite with y'all. Well, chicken, of course. Put that lady right there. I saw that girl. I said, y'all need to write my order down. God, I come here all the time. I wanted to make them laugh. I said, well, I ain't gonna say it on here, but I ain't gonna dip it in the stuff yet. I love that part of the wing. This is so freaking good. Girl, I'm on my lunch break, just sitting in the car eating. Now we about to dip. If you come to Chicken Barn in Smithfield, the Chicken Barn, I call it Chicken Barn because I'm from here. Get you a roll instead of biscuit. I love to cook, but the biscuits be a little hard. With this chicken, you can dip every bite into the chicken, or you can just do it like this. Dunk it in. Can that man see me? Usually, if I sit in the parking lot somewhere, I put my little thing in. What y'all call that thing? That thing with the sun visor so people can't see me eat. But baby, today, I don't care. That was like somebody I know. But they can't see me in my windows sitting there. Don't be driving around in no fishbowl. I used to do that. That reminds me, I tinted my windows. And then somebody else went and tinted their windows. But the only reason they tinted their windows is because they could see people and look at them and talk about them. Girl, he ain't never gonna be shit. Oh. Oh, Lord. Girl, this is bad. I'm sorry y'all got cheese on mine, but well. And that is who I thought it was. No, it ain't. I feel like I'm gonna retire soon. I ain't nothing but 30. And I'm gonna be able to just go everywhere like these people go during the day and do whatever I want. But y'all gotta watch my show. So, oh, let me have a drink with y'all. cheers to having a great day. I love y'all. My camera quality looks so good, right? Y'all, they got the best lemonade in the world. Woo! Excuse me, thank you, Jesus, for that. Okay, I gotta go. I'm gonna get back to work late, but whatever. Who cares? And you know what? I want to go to that thing for Juneteenth in a bar, but baby, I'm going. I'm going. He almost hit that man, girl. Girl, you about to be sandwich meat. He probably said that black. Oh, sorry, y'all. Because black people here eat here, white people eat here, Mexican people eat here. Girl, you could get biscuits, sandwiches, grits, eggs in the morning. You can get bologna. You can get a pork chop, tenderloin, fat back meat, whole head. You could get gizzards and livers. Baby, I gotta go, y'all. I'll call y'all back. It's Mama's Lady, y'all, and I'm still eating. I ain't even went back to work yet. But I was just watching The Real Housewives of New York City. And Ramona was sad because she's 60 and feel like she ain't never gonna get nobody. I kind of feel like that too. I wanted to be a person that loved God, is emotionally intelligent and in tune with me. And when I'm sad or down, acknowledge my feelings. Like, don't just act like my feelings don't matter and that I'm too sensitive. And I'm sorry, that's not even what this video is about, y'all, but whatever. I want the person that come in my life to acknowledge my feelings and to be able to handle me. Because I'm a firecracker, but I'm the sweetest thing. If you're nice to me, I'm going to be nice to you. If you give me your ass to kiss, I'm going to show you how to do. If show and tell was a person, it would be me. It would legit be me. Because I can show you. No, if I could show you better than I can tell you as a person, it would be me. For real. I should not be eating this. So every time I come to Smithfield, I gotta stop at Chicken Barn. I don't know what it is, but and I gotta give me some cold stone. My mama call it cornerstone. But y'all, I just don't think there's nobody out there. And I'm not trying to be negative. I just don't feel like it's a person. I feel like my era for love has ended. I gotta just go with the flow or stay in the house. That's my hiding place, in the house, for real. Because I can't get hurt in the house. And I'm actually being celibate right now. So that is the real thing when you see people, if they with you or not. Be celibate. You'll see. Thank you to all my new subscribers and people that watch the videos and like the videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I gotta go, y'all. Bye.